die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my gorgeous mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I've got 5 men's scents here that you may not have tried, and they're all pretty affordable as well. But before that, my fragrance of the day, it's probably sitting over there, or it might be on the table outside, but it is Juicy Couture's Dirty English for Men. That is, simply put, one of the best men's fragrances on the market. However, the performance is pretty trash. I mean, I can spray myself 10 times and I'll get about 6 hours on it. So it's not ideal, but the thing about it is that it smells so incredible. It's like this perfect balance between woody, boozy, leather. It's, as it sounds, it's got this dirty quality to it, but it's so attractive. It's got some oud in it as well, but it's a pretty like mass appealing sort of oud. It is simply one of the best fragrances I can recommend, but you might want to use one of those fancy schmancy YouTuber techniques where they put some Vaseline on their neck and spray it on the Vaseline or something like that to get it to perform longer. I ain't got time to do anything like that, so I don't bother with it. But yeah, Dirty English, it always gets me amazing compliments. It smells incredible. It truly does. It kind of smells like nothing else on the market. You've got to try this one out for yourself. But yeah, highly recommend it. Smells incredible, gets me compliments. Performance is trash though. So here we've got 5 men's scents. I've spoken about a few of these, pretty much most of them before. So I'm going to start out with the one that I haven't. Spoken about before, and that is Supreme Musk. This is a Middle Eastern fragrance, and you can pick this one up. I think I got it from eBay for about $40 Australian. 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. It's got a very classy, sort of casual look to it. Now, as for the fragrance itself, it's very musky, and it's got a lot of white floral notes as well. There isn't a lot that I've smelt that smells like this one. Atomizer is solid. It is a unisex scent, but I feel like it's got probably more applications for a woman. It's very, very clean. You've got a touch of vanilla here. You also get a lot of musky notes as well. Most of those are clean musky notes, but there is like a hint of something a little more here. But it also smells very floral. I get a lot of white florals. I get some like orange blossom, like almost a neroli note. I get a tuberose. It smells very attractive. This is amazing for after you shower. The thing about this one is that although it is a clean fragrance, like a clean musky scent, be careful wearing this one on a hot day because it projects monstrously. I'm talking, 3 feet away, people will be able to smell this on you. That's how strongly this one projects. So $40 Australian, get you something that will get you compliments, but it does lean a little feminine in sort of that musky, white floral presentation. And yeah, be careful when you wear this one on a hot day. Next up, we've got Abercrombie and Fitch First Instinct. This is a beautiful fresh leather fragrance. You've got the fresh notes, and then you've got that like luxurious, almost suede sort of quality to it. You get a touch of raspberry here. It kind of reminds me of an ultra fresh version of Tom Ford's Tuscan leather. That isn't a great comparison because that is obviously night and day better quality than this. However, this will get you so many compliments, and it isn't sort of like an off-putting leather scent. This is like a very mass appealing, subtle leather scent. People are going to love the smell of this one on you. It's kind of fruity, it's kind of sweet, but it also has that beautiful leather note as well. Highly recommend this one. Performs like a beast. You can find it for about $40 from Chemist Warehouse, between $40 and $50. The gift set is actually cheaper from my experience than just the standalone bottle of this one. But it does contain the 50 ml, whereas the standalone bottle is like 100 ml, I believe. So depending on your use case, you may want to pick up this one from the gift set or the larger non-gift set bottle. Next up, Got another ultra fresh fragrance here. Johnny V's, John Varvatos, Artisan. As far as fresh fragrances go, this is about the best performing one of the bunch. And not only that, it will get you monstrous compliments. It's another sort of white floral bomb, but it presents it so masculinely with those like woody undercurrents. There's a hint of musk here as well. Citrus up top. You get orange blossom, another common like sort of white floral note. This one smells luxurious, it smells sexy, it smells very masculine despite having a lot of white florals. This one is actually an incredible smelling fragrance. If you've never smelt this one before, definitely check it out. You can find it at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse for as low as $40. I got this one for $40 on clearance at Priceline. Chemist Warehouse does seem to stock them for $49, and I've seen some Dark Rebel locally as well. And every time I go there, I buy another bottle of it just because I know it's discontinued. But yeah, John Varvatos, Artisan, solid performance, 6 hours plus, every night, every day. And this will get you compliments. It smells sexy. Next up, we've got Zegna's Womer. The design of this one kind of makes you think it's not going to be good. Like it's got the packaging is sort of like off-putting, sort of plain and a little grey and just kind of yucky looking. But the bottle kind of reminds me of like a window in a high-rise building. But the fragrance, you get this very attractive sort of violet quality to it. Masculine, violet, a little musky. It's got some like citrus notes up top, and then you've got that violet. Let's just spray it up here. Very masculine, and it smells very close. It smells very close to Karl Lagerfeld Pour Homme, except a little less powdery. This one though, I can smell it in the air. My god, this is a sexy fragrance. I got this for $20 Australian on clearance. Can you believe that? $20 for this. It smells amazing. I highly recommend it. If you can find it for the $20 mark, definitely pick it up. The bottle may be a little off-putting to you, but don't let that deter you. The fragrance inside is exceptional. Was it Jensen's? No, Jensen said the Karl Lagerfeld Pour Homme. He didn't like this one. I don't understand why. This one is sexy and this one's even sexier, so they both smell pretty great to me. But yeah, still respect the heck out of his opinion though. He seems like a top bloke. Anyways, last but not least, we've got one that gets a lot of love here on YouTube, and I'm just going to add to it, continue adding to it because I've spoken about it before. Ted Lapidus's Ultimate. Now, a woman could absolutely wear this one. It's got a really hefty dose of amber and vanilla. Bottle design has that sort of awkward 2000s quality to it. But heavy dose of vanilla, heavy dose of amber, and you get some like white floral notes in this one as well. This may as well be a white floral video. Everything here features white florals except Zegna's Womer. At least from memory, that doesn't feature white florals. But yeah, this one is a little powdery, heavy on the vanilla, heavy on the amber. A woman could absolutely pull this one off. It would make a great going out scent in the colder springtime days, the colder autumn days and nights. Exceptional for the money. You can pick this one up from Priceline for about $30 Australian. I have seen this on sale in Pricelines for about $25. So if you haven't tried this one out yet, I don't know if it's exactly blind buy worthy, but I would be checking this one out just because it's going to get you compliments. People love vanilla. In my experience, vanilla is probably the sexiest note and it's going to get you the most positive attention. So definitely consider checking this one out. If you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.